Imagine piloting the tiniest jets, the smallest biplanes, and the wildest personal flying machines ever built, some faster than cars, some smaller than your living room. From daring record breakers to futuristic sky carts, these incredible aircraft aren't just planes, they're pure adventure. Stay tuned, because we're about to take you on a journey through the most jaw-dropping, record-setting, and mind-blowing aircraft ever created. The Subsonix JSX-1 captures the pure excitement of flight, making every pilot feel like a kid rediscovering the magic of the skies. This single-seat, single-engine microjet is compact yet powerful, with a small turbojet engine positioned just behind the pilot's seat, giving it the look and spirit of a mini fighter jet. Its first flight took place on August 10, 2011 in Oshkosh, with Bob Carlton at the controls. During that debut, the JSX-1 impressed with smooth stalls, controlled maneuvers, and an elegance that defied its size. Instead of a deafening roar, it delivers a confident hum, a sound of precision and passion. Built as a proof of concept, the Subsonix JSX-1 isn't about luxury. It's about pure, personal, jet-powered adventure in its simplest, most thrilling form. The Jetson 1 is like driving a futuristic go-kart in the sky, lightweight, responsive, and thrillingly intuitive. Built from a blend of aluminum and carbon Kevlar, this personal eVTOL aircraft features 8 powerful electric motors that deliver both stability and speed. Its control system is elegantly simple. One hand manages altitude while the other steers, allowing almost anyone to take flight within minutes. Despite its minimalist design, safety remains a top priority, with features like automatic landing, obstacle detection, motor redundancy, and even a ballistic parachute for emergencies. With a flight time of around 20 minutes and a price near $98,000, it's not built for long journeys, it's built for pure excitement. The Jetson 1 turns the dream of personal flight into an electrifying real-world experience. The Cirrus G2 Plus Vision Jet redefines personal jet travel with a perfect balance of luxury, innovation, and safety. Stepping inside feels like entering a bright futuristic cocoon. Its panoramic windows flood the carbon fiber cabin with natural light, surrounding up to 5 passengers in comfort and sophistication. Powered by a single, efficient jet engine, it delivers smooth, confident performance, now with 20% more thrust for improved takeoff even in challenging conditions. The cockpit features the advanced Garmin Perspective Touch system and optional auto throttle, making flying intuitive and relaxed, almost like driving a high-end car. Safety remains paramount, featuring the signature Cirrus airframe parachute system and safe return autoland technology. The G2 Plus Vision Jet blends elegance, ease, and cutting-edge safety into one remarkably refined flying experience. The Stits SA-2A Skybaby is one of aviation's most extraordinary creations, a miniature biplane that pushed the limits of what was possible in the 1950s. Designed and built by Ray Stits in 1952 as part of a friendly dare, this aircraft was engineered to be the world's smallest manned biplane. With a wingspan of just over 7 feet, it required extreme precision to fly, demanding complete focus from the pilot. Though it logged only about 25 hours of flight time, those flights were filled with intensity and excitement. Today, the Skybaby rests proudly at the Udvar-Hazy Center of the Smithsonian, serving as a symbol of human ingenuity, bold experimentation, and the endless curiosity that drives aviation forward. The Spacek SD-1 Minisport is a charming expression of simplicity and pure flying enjoyment, designed for pilots who appreciate hands-on, personal aviation. This agile single-seat aircraft is crafted mainly from wood and composite materials, featuring detachable wings that make storage and transport remarkably easy, a true invitation to spontaneous adventure. Builders can choose to construct it from detailed plans, assemble it from a kit, or purchase it fully completed, offering freedom for every level of aviator. Cruising comfortably at around 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour, the Minisport combines efficiency with gentle, forgiving handling. Its light frame and responsive controls make it both safe and exhilarating to fly. The SD-1 isn't just a plane, it's a joyful companion that turns every flight into a personal celebration of the skies. The Nisus gyroplane offers a poetic flying experience, combining elegance, comfort, and excitement. Designed and built in Slovakia by Joker Trike, this sleek tandem aircraft features an enclosed cockpit that balances luxury with adventure. Its lightweight yet robust frame, made from chromoly steel and a carbon Kevlar hybrid shell, feels both secure and inviting. With a range of 500 kilometers and cruising speeds between 130 to 160 kilometers per hour, reaching nearly 195 kilometers per hour at top speed, it satisfies the urge to explore without compromise. Boarding is effortless, thanks to its smoothly pivoting canopy that opens like a warm invitation to the skies. Inside, plush seating, panoramic views, and intuitive one-handed pre-rotator controls make every detail feel thoughtful, modern, and deeply connected to the pilot's experience, offering both comfort and exhilaration in equal measure. The Starr Bumble Bee 2 is a remarkable symbol of human determination and daring engineering. Built by Robert H. Starr in 1988, this tiny aircraft was created to claim the title of the world's smallest piloted biplane, and it succeeded. Measuring only 5 feet 6 inches in wingspan and 8 feet 10 inches in length, it was powered by an 85 horsepower Continental engine, giving it impressive thrust for its size. However, its record-setting flight ended tragically when the engine failed at about 400 feet, causing a severe crash that left Starr seriously injured. Despite this, his spirit of innovation and courage remained unbroken. The Bumblebee 2 stands today as a tribute to the fearless pursuit of dreams that push the boundaries of possibility. The Cri-Cri MC-15 is a true masterpiece of compact aviation, small in size but huge in spirit. Designed by Michel Colomban in the early 1970s, this single-seat twin-engine ultralight proudly holds the record as the world's smallest manned twin-engine aircraft. Powered by two 15-horsepower JPX Puel 212 engines mounted side-by-side on the nose, it's engineered for balance. Even if one engine stops, control remains steady. Built from lightweight aluminum bonded to foam, the Cri-Cri can be quickly assembled, disassembled, and stored in a garage with ease. Despite its tiny frame, it's fully aerobatic, capable of withstanding plus 10 grams to minus 5 grams forces, and reaches speeds near 120 miles per hour. Flying it feels like commanding the sky itself from a machine that fits in the palm of imagination.